Thanks for choosing PiP Sync. Here's how to get started. First click Get the extension. This will take you to our listing in the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, click Add to Chrome, and then in the pop-up box, click Add Extension. You should now see our logo icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click on the icon and then click Sign Up. A sign-up window will open. Enter your email, a password, and then re-enter your password to confirm that it's correct. Then click Sign Up. The dialog will confirm that you've been signed in, and the window will close automatically. Now, when you're on YouTube and you select a video with PiP Sync content enabled, you'll see a button with our logo on it. Click it to enable a video interpretation that is synced to the video you're currently watching. If you want to change the size of the interpretation video, you'll find a PiP Sync size option in the YouTube settings tray. You can select anywhere from 30% to 50% in size. If you need to pause the video or move somewhere else to continue watching, your PiP Sync content should still be aligned, no matter where you go. And that's it. Thanks for helping us make the internet more accessible to everyone, one video at a time.